In today's video, I'm going to teach you add Instagram feed to card.show using Elfsight. If you want a clean, automatic way to display your latest Instagram posts on a card site, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with minimal fuss. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the Elfsight Instagram feed widget, which has a free tier to get you started, and that your card account includes the Pro plan with the Embed feature, since we'll be pasting custom code. We'll start on Elfsight. Head to elfsight.com and search for Instagram feed. You'll see a variety of templates, grids, carousels, and more. Pick a template that matches the look you want and click Create Widget. Elfsight will prompt you to connect your Instagram account or paste your profile link. Connecting your account typically gives the most reliable feed and access to more display options, while using a profile link is a quick alternative if you don't want to sign in right away. Once connected, customize the layout, switch between grid and carousel, adjust the number of columns and rows, tweak spacing, and choose how many posts to load. You can also fine-tune colors, header visibility, and interaction settings, like whether clicking a post opens a pop-up or the Instagram page. When you're happy with the preview, click Add to Website and copy the embed code. This snippet is what we'll place inside card. Now open your card site in the editor, add a new element, and choose Embed. By default, card may set the type to URL or similar, so change the type to code. In the code field, paste the Elfsight script you copied. You should see the live preview of your Instagram feed populate inside the editor. From here, position the block where you want it to appear on your page. You can drag it into a container, center it, or stretch it to full width depending on your layout. Resize the block so it looks balanced on desktop, and use Card's responsive preview to confirm it scales nicely on mobile and tablet. If the feed feels cramped, give it more vertical space or reduce the number of columns in your Elfsight settings for smaller screens. A quick tip: if the feed doesn't load immediately, wait a moment for the script to initialize or refresh the editor preview. Also, whenever you change styles in Elfsight, the embed updates automatically, no need to replace the code. That's it. With Elfsight providing a polished Instagram feed and Card's embed element handling the code, you'll have a professional dynamic gallery on your site in minutes.